Hello, folks, and welcome to OnlineGroomingSchool.com. I'm making this video because we have a very, very special offer for you. First off, you'll become a certified pet hygienist and certified pet groomer from the comfort of your home. And yes, you do practice on dogs, yours, your family members, friends, relatives, neighbors, even enemies do their dogs for free. They become your friend again. Post ads on Craigslist or go to the shelters. They'd love to have you so they can make the dogs look pretty so they can be adopted. Anyway, this weekend, oh, by the way, my name is George. If you have any questions, call me right here, right? OnlineGroomingSchool.com. This weekend, we have a buddy special celebrating Memorial Day. So if you buy one, you get two sign-ups. You and a buddy, you and a friend, both get certified. So how does that work? You pretty much you will share the same login as well as the same book and videos and all that we send you. How do you do this? You scroll to the bottom, right? Input your information here, your name and friend's name, your buddy. That's it. That's all you need. When you use your email address, that will be your login. I can show you this real quick. So this is on the home page, right? Use same login and share the videos and book. When you log in here, you will input your email address and the password that you chose, because once you sign up, the next thing will happen is that it will take you to the sign up page where you would input your information after you sign up. Everything two for the price of one instead of $4.99 for both of you. It's only $175. Hey folks, that's what, $87.50 a piece. How can you go wrong, man, to become certified pet groomer, certified pet hygienist? Okay, dokie. I hope to see you there and all the best to you. Bye bye now.